are you guys doing? I want to just do a quick video for you. I wanted to share a neat little story. When you guys were younger, you'd watch videos where there might have been a whole group of kids. It involved sports and stuff, and there was always the one kid who was the underdog. Okay, and then through the movie series, he would get picked on, teased, harassed, and then at the end, the kid that was the underdog always came out shining, winning. Okay, that was me. When I started doing videos with you guys at the beginning of February, nobody wanted to listen to what I had to say because my videos were boring. My videos were automated. I didn't have the time like the other guys, like Brando or like Vital Brad or any of those guys, to get in and actually do live videos with you guys one-on-one. They were automated simply because I don't have time. And second, because I brought faith in, which now you guys see faith was a huge part of this, but anyway, because I brought faith in, nobody wanted to hear it. Very few people. So the largest I could build my subscriber list up to was roughly 220 subscribers before I joined Brando, and then it multiplied, obviously. But now you guys see, I was the underdog, and as time has passed, proving the accuracy of the information I had to share, you guys now clearly see and how important both faith and facts were in this. I mean, they both had a 50-50 split on accuracy. Anyway, just wanted to share that story with you, that basically, I was the underdog, and now I come out shining on top. We have more accurate intel than anybody else out there. So anyway, all right, let's get into some quick information. So this week, you guys aren't going to see very much information. This week, you're just going to see the government. You're going to probably, by Thursday, you'll see the blocks submit the names. By Saturday, you're going to see the names voted on and see the government formation come to completion. The last thing you're going to see this week, and I've only really shared this with those who've been with me for a long time. If you're new, I've touched on it, but I didn't go into great details. One of the things I've shared from the very beginning with my group is I've said that the Dow is going to have to reach 27,000 points, specifically on a Friday before the rate changes. Again, the Dow will reach 27,000 points on a Friday before the rate changes, and I've shared that since the beginning of the year. Okay, that was like one of the very first pieces of information I've shared. So, with that said, I am now going to share a news article with you that tells you the dollar is getting stronger and gold is dropping. Okay, my point is now this information, and if the dollar is getting stronger, the Dow is going to get stronger too, because both are linked to the dinar. Our federal government has enough dinar. Most people think that our federal government only received 3 to 4 trillion dinar from this. That's not accurate. Our federal government received approximately right around 30 trillion dinar from the war. That's how we got repaid for the war. Remember, Bush Jr. In 2004, Bush Jr. made a clear statement. He told the American citizens that the war in Iraq will pay for itself and not cost taxpayers any money at all. That's because he had repayment structured through the dinar to where we got approximately 30 trillion dinar to pay for the war. And notice how our federal deficit today is a little over 20 trillion. Hint, hint, there you go. This was structured to pay off our national deficit. Anyway, you guys enjoy your day. And again, I'm going to share an article telling you how the dollar is strengthening, how the gold is weakening, and they also mention in the article how there's Fed cuts to cut the Federal Reserve interest rate on June 18th and 19th. And remember, I told you that would be one of the items that spikes the Dow. And there's one other item that will spike the Dow too this week. Donald Trump might be meeting with China at the G20 meeting to further discuss the China trade. That causes a lot of volatility in the Dow as well. You guys have a great day.
Falls as dollar rises. The meeting of reserve posted by Walter June 17, 2019 editorial date. June 17, 2019 13:30. The price of gold continued to fall on Monday, having fallen from a 14-month high in the previous session, with the dollar still near its highest level in weeks. Thanks to strong U.S. retail sales data and ahead of a Federal Reserve meeting American this week, spot gold fell 0.2% to $1,338.86 an ounce by 5:49 Greenwich Mean Time, after reaching its highest level since April 11, 2018, at $1,358.04 Friday, according to Reuters. Gold futures in the U.S. fell 0.2% to $1,343.90 an ounce. Interest rate cuts at the Federal Reserve meeting on June 18 and 19 fell to 21.7% from 28.3% on Thursday, following strong retail data, according to the CME Group. Analysts said the strength of the dollar weakened the attractiveness of gold, as the dollar index is near the highest level in 2 weeks, Monday, supported by strong retail sales data. U.S. retail sales rose in May, and the previous month's sales were revised up, signaling increased consumer spending, which could ease fears of a sharp slowdown in the economy in the second quarter. Today, the U.S. Trade Representative's office is starting a 7-day hearing of testimony from retailers, manufacturers, and other business sectors regarding U.S. President Donald Rumsfeld's plan to impose customs duties on other Chinese goods worth $300 billion. On other precious metals, silver fell 0.2% to $14.84 an ounce, while platinum rose 0.4% to $801.77. Palladium lost 0.7% to $1,455.20 an ounce,